My biggest win being a journey practitioner has been becoming a therapist and a healer because that's what I never ever imagined it to be. I would never open up in public. I would never speak in public or never to be seen in public. I would shy away. I wouldn't be what I am here. So that's why I am grateful and thankful to the journey. I'm Fatima Zavery and I'm from Bangalore. That's in Karnataka in India. I practice as a therapist. I use, of course, journey being one of my main modalities. I was so fascinated with Brandon. I was so mesmerized by her. And I bought the book and she wrote, "Come home to yourself." I never had read the journey book, nothing. And she said she was having this 3 day seminar in Bangalore. And she said, "Why don't you come along?" And throughout the whole time, I said, "It reminds me of my childhood. I used to get lost in the books. It reminds me of, what I did to myself." I went for the 3 day workshop. The second day, I told Brandon, I felt as if I was in the air. I wasn't actually walking, that's how I felt because I never realized that I had such emotions were blocked. And I was so fascinated with the whole journey process. When I look back now, I realize that that is the way I was guided. I think I've done assisting in abundance 4 times. I went to Dubai with her. I went to Kuwait with her before I became a journey practitioner. Doing this, I have realized that's become my life purpose. It's only when I shift and see the changes in people, I see the difference. My whole life changed. I never thought I would be doing therapy work or healing or anything. Journey was like a step for me, and then of course I learned different modalities. I never knew I would ever become a journey practitioner. I just would love to assist because I would see the difference in the faces, the glow on people's faces, and when I was doing myself for other people as well. I've had few talks and I only talk about the journey most of the time. They are on my Facebook, they are on my Instagram. These recordings are there where I speak about how my life got transformed with the journey. Our belief makes us what we are, and I have changed my beliefs.